Okay, here's the Panasonic FZ82, and from time to time some of the videos are pretty noisy. You can hear the internal components of the camera acting, and other times the camera's videos are pretty silent. You don't hear that noise. So why is that? Because we have microphones here on the top, and from time to time you might hold the camera somehow like that and you are covering the microphones with your hand, and when you do that, when you cover them, the camera picks up more noise from the camera's inside than from the outside. So do not cover those microphones. So let's do a test. Power on the camera, start a video recording. Record, yes, it's recording. So now the microphones are uncovered. Listen to the sound. Now the microphones are covered. Now it should be much noisier. Uncovered, covered, silent, noisy. Okay, so make sure you don't cover the microphones. You can open up the flash also, and thus it will pick up even less internal noise from the camera, and the audio should be even better if the flash is on top. Okay, and here's a small velcro, and you can place the fluffy side on top of that microphone, and it is good for noise cancelling, windproofing. Place it there. It's firmly covering the microphones, and that's a small simple windproofing for this camera. When you're done filming, just remove it and put it back.